Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. We're doing another gift card holder that, if you need some last minute ideas for those stocking stuffers or to put under the tree, gift card holders are perfect. I always give my kids gift cards. They're adults, they buy what they need. So gift cards are perfect. They can use it to go out. They can buy what they need for their house. I just love gift cards. Okay, so today we're making a gift card holder that would be small enough to fit in a stocking. You could put it under the tree, whatever you want to do. And I'm using the Jingle, Jingle, Jingle stamp set because I just think this is the cutest thing. And then I'm using a little bit of our Painted Christmas designer paper. I love this pattern. Then this is the pattern on the back. This, last time I checked, it was still available for $4.80. So it's 60% off, which is a wonderful deal. All right, so we are going to score this. This is, what size? This is 4 by 7.5. You can actually get 4 of these out of a piece of 12 by 12 paper. This is 4 by 7.5. We're gonna score it on the 7.5 side at 3 and 6. Okay, so that gives us a 3-inch, 3-inch, and then a 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch is a good length to put a little pocket to hold your gift card. All right, so let's fold this up. Okay, we're going to just give it a good crease. So it will open up like this, and then this is where your gift card's going to go. There's not much room, so we're going to put a piece of white on the top flap to do our writing on. So let's grab a little tear and tape. We can go ahead and put our pocket down. We want to get it close to the edge so that your gift card will fit in there. Okay, so we have a piece of white to go on the top. We can do some writing there. And then on the front, because this is such pretty paper, I'm just using a little piece of red across right there, and then a piece of white to do our stamping on. So let's do our stamping. I am going to start out with some not early espresso. What color is this? Evening Evergreen. And I'm going to do 'Tis the Season 2B. All right, we're going to stamp this up near the top. I'm trying to see what I'm doing here because hold on. It's hard to stamp white on white because you can't see exactly where the edges are. So just lay it on something a little darker. 'Tis the season to be jolly. I'm going to do jolly. So I'm going to do my outline in the evergreen. Hopefully straight enough. All right, and then I'm going to use real red to do the fun little insert with all the little patterns. So cute. Now the trick is getting this lined up. Now if I don't get it perfect, don't judge me. I'm looking at an angle, trying not to get my head in the screen. Well, that's pretty close. I'm gonna say good. It doesn't have to be perfect. It could be pretty close, and that's good enough. Okay. All right, now, if we want to do the inside, you can do it. I don't really have an extra sentiment in here. You can do a to and from. You can do, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do a little, I'll write to and from on this. Let's just grab these lights. I haven't used these lights, as you can tell. So they're brand new, haven't used them. I'm just going to rough them up a little bit on the paper. And let's do the Evening Evergreen. I'm just going to do some lights going in the corner, and then I can do to and from right there. And then we have a little light bulb Let's find it. And a little block. And we can do our light bulbs in red. I haven't used this either. I'm going to rough it up a little bit. If you rough it up, it kind of grabs the ink a little bit better. And this goes a little outside the line, but it gives it kind of a nice little glow. And then you can add a little Wink of Stella if you want. Now, Wink of Stella on red will blur it a little bit, which is why I'm looking to see if I have Wink of Stella in my drawer here. I don't think I do. It's all in one of my boxes here. Okay. I'm not going to use this because I don't want that to blend it all. I'm just going to put it right inside the red here. So if I put it in here, you'll see it kind of, you know, how that picks up the color. I don't want to do that on the front. All right. We'll just put this right in here. And then on the front, we're going to pop this up with some dimensionals. I'll show you why. I'm putting them on the sides. I'm not putting them in the middle. Don't put your dimensionals in the middle because we're going to just use a little bit of ribbon. You can use whatever you want. I'm using my Evening Evergreen ribbon. And just wrap it through there. It slides right in, wrap it all the way around. Oh, I forgot to put my gift card. Okay, so we're going to write to and from. Where's my gift card? Did I leave it in my last project? Yes, I did. Okay, we're going to just slide our gift card right in there. Fits perfectly. To and from. I'm actually giving this to someone, and that's a used one. That's a zero balance. I have to go buy gift cards tomorrow. That's my goal. And then I'll be pretty much done for Christmas. Okay. So we just tie that in a cute little bow and whatever coordinating ribbon you have. And there you go. Now if you want, you can bling it up a little bit with some rhinestones. Let's see. Let's grab a couple. Grab one. I might just stick one on my O and maybe on my Y up there. I just add a couple. You can add them wherever you want. That just gives it a little bit of bling. Can you see that bling? Hard to tell on camera. But just a little bit. You don't have to, you can put one on each letter if you want. It's up to you. Your project. Okay? Thanks everybody for stopping by. I'm hoping to get another post in before Christmas, but if not, I wish you a Merry Christmas, and I will see you soon. All right, bye everyone.